Welcome back to another video from our YouTube channel. In this video, we will go through the steps required to migrate AWS EC2 to AWS EKS with migration plan. If you are interested in learning, you can find lot of useful videos in our channel. Make use of those videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel to not miss any new videos. Let's get started. In order to migrate an AWS EC2 to an AWS EKS cluster, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Create an EKS cluster. Use the AWS Management Console, AWS Command Line Interface, or SDK to create an EKS cluster. This will create a control plane and worker nodes for your Kubernetes cluster. Step 2. Export your EC2 cluster's Kubernetes configuration. Use kubectl command line tool to export the Kubernetes configuration for your EC2 cluster. This will generate a file with the cluster's resources, services, and deployments. Step 3. Import the configuration into your EKS cluster. Use kubectl command line tool to import the exported configuration into your EKS cluster. This will create the resources, services, and deployments in your EKS cluster. Step 4. Update your applications to use the new EKS cluster. Yes, you have to update your applications to use the new EKS cluster by updating their service endpoints and load balancers. Step 5. Test your applications. To ensure that the applications are working properly on the new EKS cluster, you must test your applications. Step 6. Decommission the EC2 cluster. Once you've confirmed that your applications are working properly on the new EKS cluster, you can decommission the EC2 cluster. This will release the EC2 instances and other resources associated with the EC2 cluster. Note: before migrating, make sure that you have the necessary permissions to create and manage EKS clusters and resources. Also, validate that your applications are compatible with EKS and that you have the necessary resources to run the applications on EKS. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you to understand how to migrate AWS EC2 to EKS. Keep practicing and have fun.